Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a speed sensor on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a ratchet, a 13mm deep socket, a 14mm wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. Having some penetrating oil on hand is also a good idea. Always ensure your truck is securely supported on jack stands before you begin. This job is quite manageable and can typically be finished in about 15 to 30 minutes, making it a quick and effective repair. Now let's locate the sensor. For many Dodge Ram 1500 models, the rear wheel speed sensor is found on top of the differential, nestled between the axle and the spare tire. It's a bit of a tight squeeze, but accessible. Once you've spotted it, locate the electrical connector. There's usually a small locking tab. Use your flathead screwdriver to carefully slide it back. Then, gently pull the connector straight off the sensor to disconnect it completely. With the connector unplugged, it's time to remove the old sensor. You'll typically find a 13mm nut holding it in place. Use your deep socket to loosen and remove it. Sometimes, the threaded stud might turn, so have a 14mm wrench ready to hold it steady. If there's a brake line bracket attached, carefully rotate it off the stud. Before pulling the sensor out, take a moment to clean the area around its base to prevent any dirt or debris from falling into the differential. Finally, let's install your new speed sensor. Carefully insert the new sensor into the differential hole, twisting it gently to help it seat properly. Align the fastener hole, then reinstall the threaded stud and tighten it securely. Don't forget to reattach any brake line brackets and the 13mm retaining nut. Lastly, reconnect the electrical plug, making sure the red locking clip is pushed in firmly. Once everything is reconnected, take your truck for a short test drive to confirm the speedometer and any related systems are working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.